Today we're demonstrating how to use the Auto Reheat mode on the Wolf Steam Oven. To get started, power the unit on. Select More on the control panel. This screen will display your options. Scroll through the menu options by pressing the forward arrow until you get to the Auto Reheat option. Select Enter. This screen will give you the choice of Auto Reheat Moist or Crispy. Make your selection, then press Enter. The oven will now show the suggested rack positions. At this time, insert your baking trays. Select Rack Position 2 for a single baking tray, or Rack Positions 1 and 3 for multiple trays. Once you've placed your trays inside the oven, close the door and select Enter. The next screen will show the default end time. To select the default end time, use the forward arrow to start the oven. You have the option to wait for the countdown timer to finish, or manually start the oven by pressing the forward arrow to the start position and pressing Enter. You are now using the Auto Reheat function with the default end time. To set your own end time, starting from the Set End Time screen, select Enter. A time bar will display. Use the forward arrow to select your desired time and press Enter. Move the forward arrow to the start position and select Enter. You are now using the Auto Reheat function with the Set End Time. To learn more about Wolf Steam Ovens, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.